In this video, I'll show you how to use Calibro, a fun and simple tool for creating hand-drawn style diagrams and visuals. So first, make sure you are on the official website of escalidraw.com, and then no need to sign up. You can just start drawing right away. So as you can see on the arrows, so these are the tools that we can use to start drawing. And then these are the export preferences and language or the settings. So basically, this is like a um, drawing website. So now on the left side, you'll see tools like, so on the left side, you'll see tools like rectangle in here. So click on this. So you will see here a open, save to, export, like collaboration, command palette, find on canvas, etc., etc. And then you will see here different canvas background. And if you want to create a square or add a square, just simply click on that and then set the background. And you can also set the stroke, and then you can also fill it with patterns or a solid color. And then you can also edit the width and the style of the stroke or the border, the sloppiness of the square, and the edges of the square. So if you want to put a um diamond shape, you can just drag it in there. And if you want to draw manually, so want to draw like that, something like that, you can also change the opacity, something like that. You can also change the stroke color or like blue and so on. So you can also add text in here. So just tap in here and then as you can see, or add my name. So you can also add or insert image, and you can also erase. We have an erasing tool in here. So you just simply click on that and it will automatically erase. And we have a draw, so where you can drag the drawing to anywhere. You can also lock it in here so it won't be editable. And then for more tools, we have a frame tool, web embed, and a laser pointer. So we can also generate a text diagram using AI and a mermaid to Excalidraw and a wireframe to code. And that's it. That's how to use Excalidraw. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.